This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John.
Laswell.
Where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrick, roger up.
Go for Garrick.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attackers. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, Crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it.
Let's get it done, yeah?
A firm.
Sergeant? Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven. White van, multiple military-age males. Weapons visible. Moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side. Go, go!
They're here, brother! They're here! Come here! Go!
Don't fucking move!
Police, please! Get your hands up now! Get down on the ground! I'm not gonna tell you again!
Got him! Saber 2, what the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired. Officers down. We need medical down here now.
What they did to our home.
Not done yet. Let's move.
Fucking side off!
All units, attack is underway at Piccadilly Circus. Multiple IC-1 units on all units, they're taking hostages at Piccadilly Station. I say again, we have a hostage situation at Piccadilly Station.
There are hostages in the underground! Run!
Check fire, check fire. Civilians are in the area. They're firing rockets from the roof of the Tanto building! Breaking up! Say again! They're shooting bloody rockets at us! Get them to pull here now! All units! Suspects are cornered in the Tanto building! There's a possible hostage situation! Hold at the perimeter! Shoot!
Get up there.
Where are they firing from? Bookshop! Second floor! Second floor of the bookshop!
This is Saber 2. Bookshop secure.
All units! Urgent assistance! On fire! On contact! At least 4 suspects IC-1 or 2! Still in vicinity! We need focus now!
This is Saber.
No ETA!
Let's move.
additional RVs set up north of Oxford Circus. Trojan 99. We have one unit to the two existing RVs at Charing Cross Road and the Swiss Centre, and one to the vicinity north of Oxford Circus. And the rest of units to the last vicinity of the Newton, Soho and Regent Street, moving north. Over.
They're holed up in the Tanto district! You just killed a civilian!
Alpha Whiskey 2 from Trojan 99, all received. 99 out! Red control from Alpha Whiskey 1609. Myself at 2936.
Are you good?
And then three suspects! And now the left! Left! Moving east into Wardour Street towards Old Compton Street! We've got multiple casualties at Shaftesbury Avenue! 1609 over! Copy, Sergeant. Suspects are retreating into the Tanto building to the northwest. We need all units covering the Tanto now. Secondary detonation! Secondary detonation in the cabin! All units responding to the explosion in Leicester Square. All units responding to the explosion in Leicester Square. From Alpha Whiskey 2. Be mindful of possible further attacks. Ambulances are on the way to preliminary... Secondary detonation in the cabin! Fucking hell! There's pieces everywhere! The Leitner! Bomb them!
Nein, bomb the wall!
Raven, Saber 2, officers down outside the Tanto building. Officers down!
Bloody hell! What is the status on the hostages?
About to get in the building. Stand by. Blow!
I see you. You armed up?
Yes, sir.
Captain Price,
Sergeant Garrick.
you with me? Check those corners.
We need help up
Hostages, up top.
Help us!
Please help!
Get it off me! Please, get it off me! Sergeant, I need you over here. Help me! Help me, I'm not one of them! All stations, we have a man with a bomb strapped to him. Keep your distance. I don't want to die. I want to go. Look, open! I want to see. Can you help him?
I'm trying.
Let me see my girl! It's going off.
I can't get it.
No time! Help me! Help me! Wait! What are you doing? No! No! All stations, bomb is clear. Prep medical are coming out. Okay, everybody stay calm. We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good.
Let's go. You saved lives today, Sergeant.
This shouldn't have happened in the first place, sir. They sent us in half-assed. So everyone can just keep pretending we're not at war.
Yeah, like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves off and fight. Sir.
Go on.
We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. I remember tracking that cell for weeks.
You had actionable intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
Okay, Garrett. You're with me.
Alcantara's claiming responsibility.
Oh, orders from the wolf in Kazakhstan.
Alex is on the ground there looking for the stolen camps.
Well, he'll need the Liberation Force on his side, so have him contact the CO.
You know Commander Karim?
We're acquainted. Use my name, or they'll kill him.
What is your message from Captain Price?
Commander Karim. Call me Alex.
I'm listening, Alex.
This is classified.
يلا ولد دامي جهزوا لي هالكم.
48 hours ago, terrorists stole a shipment of Russian gas.
Only Alcatala would do this.
The Russians make no distinction between Alcatala and your people.
And I make no distinction between Alcatala and the Russian army. They're both terrorists. We would never use these poisons.
Then help us track it before they...
Before they what? Take it to Europe? Or America? We live like this every day.
Commander, it's time to go. Who is this?
Alex, this is my brother and Lieutenant, Hadir.
You are CIA?
He works with Captain Price.
Then you kill Russians, yes?
I have friends who can help us. But your sister decides what's next.
Of course. My sister is in command. And the Russian army is still here.
This occupation must end. That we can all agree on, yes? General Barkov's men control the city. We have plans to change that.
We have no missiles, but we have our ways.
If you stay, we can help you. But if you stay, you fight.
Yelanato.
مرحبا لأرزكستان, Alex.
Follow me. These tunnels are our lifeline. We have intel Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
And pull security away from the Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges. C4 with remote detonator.
Thanks.
Watch my sister. Good luck.
You too.
بسرعة يلا أمريكي
زلمة يكفوه. Here, Alex. Put this on.
How do I look?
It'll do. Tarek, what's the report?
Russians are just outside. If they see your weapons, they will shoot.
That happens. Our plan fails before it starts. Alex, our guns give us away. Keep it hidden. Follow me.
За тебя и еды сегодня не будет!
General Roman Barkov, your superior and commander of these territories.
Barkov's forces occupy the entire city. They separate our men and the women. They will be very strict. Their officers are coming.
Will Barkov show up?
Almost never. He hides while others do his dirty work.
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment. For fighting
Men
back.
on the work line! Women to the trucks!
This is where we split up. We need to comply to
Back to work!
Shit. While others do his dirty work.
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment. For fighting
Men
back.
on the work line! Women to the trucks!
This is where we split up. You'll need to comply to blend in.
In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces in Uzbekistan who refuse to learn the lesson, teach them safety, and bring them peace and prosperity.
I'm through.
Go left, down the alley. See that soldier?
Yeah.
Approach him, slowly. Get his attention.
А ну стой!
Saturday! Saturday!
You fucks killed my friend. Did you show?
كريم ديري بالك أخاف تكتب. You're resourceful. Good.
Keep your weapon hidden. Let's go. I have contacts posted just ahead. They'll have more explosives for us. A bigger blast will pull more forces away from the Russian base. Shit. Barkov's soldiers have found my contacts. They may be dead already.
Can't go loud. Need a suppressor.
Find an oil filter. It will silence your weapon.
Барков нас предупреждал.
Check civilian cars. I'll keep watch on the guards.
Я не воюю. С этими бабами надо держать ухо востро.
Continue to launch senseless attacks in the name of so-called freedom. These homegrown terrorists are the cancer in this great country.
That'll do it.
Good. Head back and flank right. Go around the truck. Right side.
Мы за неделю дойдем. Просил взять кого-то живым.
You get two. I'll take the rest.
Нафига? Рабочая сила. Какого черта?
Clear. Stay low. Hold up. Stay away from the door.
Осторожно. Могут быть растяжки.
Do you have a shot?
Yep. Clear.
This way.
Sorry about your contacts.
We have the explosives. Her sacrifice will not be in vain. Hide the gun. We're going back outside.
Follow me. I'll lead.
If you defy General Barker, you will be made an example of.
What is it?
Please, she's just scared.
Stand down. I know what you mean. Do you understand why we do this? They hanged because they killed our soldiers. Now look at them.
Let's get moving.
You can live peacefully.
This is a
But
goddamn
only
war
if we
crime.
help each other.
Punishment for the stolen gas.
It is the terrorists who
Barkov
caused
blames
this
us
pain
for stealing
for all of
What
us.
can we do?
Unite our
Accomplish our
causes.
mission and put an end to Barkov's cruelty forever.
And you will be rewarded.
Through here, up the ladder. Barkov is sending in helicopters. We take them out. Forces from the base will come running.
Giving us a window to attack.
Send explosives on the helicopters. I'll cover you. Guards get in your way. Take them out. Quietly. Meet back here when you're through.
There can be no order and no peace until those who side with these savages are permanently eliminated. I am a fair captain and a man of swift justice. There is no judge or jury here. There is only crime and punishment. One by one, we will eliminate these agitators from our streets and create a safe place to work and prosper under my foot. This revolt brings war to the peace-loving citizens of Urzikstan. These freedom fighters and their collaborators threaten the safety and security of those who follow the rule.
Guards on the entry.
Today,
If you engage, try not to be seen.
Мужчины там! Шевелись!
those who believe that my forces will be defeated by these terror tactics and secret plans have made a grave miscalculation. I will never, ever be pushed out of this land by an army of thieves and terrorists. We will
Alex, are you on the roof near the helicopter?
Russia!
Still looking for a way up.
To defend your lives, your liberty, your independence. My reserves of manpower are inexhaustible. I will not be defeated by citizens soldiers.
2 down.
Nice.
Uzbekistan is bleeding. Her reserves of manpower are dying out.
I'm at the target.
Terrorist criminals
You know what to do.
destroying this land. And today, we can make an example of those who refuse to
Charge
follow
set.
my orders.
This'll make one hell of a distraction.
That's the plan.
These
Now get to the other
enemies
helicopter.
are your friends and family. These conspirators among us are carrying out unspeakable acts against our people. With the blessing and support of the United States and their partners in the UK. Anyone who collaborates with these groups will be sentenced to death. Today, the people of Uzbekistan are far better off under my command. This country could share in its riches, but it must earn that privilege through loyalty and obedience.
Workers over there!
Together, we can build industry and harvest raw materials. Russia is your ally. We can be partners here. Together, we can maintain a united front against the West and root out those who do not belong. Comrades and all loyal citizens of
Мужчины
Uzbekistan.
там! Шевелись!
I am General Roman Barkov, your superior and commander of these territories. In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces in Uzbekistan who refuse to learn the lessons that will keep them safe and bring them peace and prosperity. These insurgents continue to launch senseless attacks in the name of so-called freedom. These homegrown terrorists
Use
are
the
the
stairs.
cancer in this great
Stop. There's a guard. Top of the stairs, left side.
You're right on the crowd. Clear to engage any threat.
Я под огнем!
Now, move up.
Прыгнулся, урод!
There can be no order and no peace.
Good eye.
У нас
Clear. These oil filters work well.
Until those who side with these savages are permanently eliminated.
Charges set.
Regroup on my position.
I am a fair captain and a man of swift justice. There is no judge or jury here.
Work your way back here.
There is only crime and punishment. One by one, we will eliminate these agitators from our
Over here.
streets and create a safe place to work and
We're clear.
prosper
It's time.
under my orders. This revolt
Blow it.
brings war.
Fire in the hole.
Fucking beautiful, Alex. Well done. Now this way. Wait. Take the left. Hold your fire. Look, it worked. Troops on the base are rushing into defense. Okay, the trucks are undefended. We'll take them out next. Come, under the truck. More are coming. Follow close. A parting gift for when they return.
How generous of you.
A shame to miss the show, but we have to get on with our attack before it's too late. The next street will lead us back to the tunnel, under Tarek's. Shit!
What the hell is this?
Alex, get down.
Don't move. Keep your head still. Now, move up.
Вот почему мы сжигаем это место. Может, хоть в этот раз до них дойдет.
I'm set. Shoot the left too. Good work. To the tunnel, quickly. More may be coming. Look! Reinforcements from the airbase. Our plan is working. Stop. Shit. Tarek's door is open.
Where's Tarek?
Dead. He would never abandon his post. Let's go. Clear. Let's head down. Get to Hadir.
You lost good people today.
That is the cost of this war. Now let's take Barkov's airbase so their deaths are not in vain.
We're in for a hell of a fight.
So are they. Hadir has a plan.